So we have a confirmation that Tesla Model S Plaid did break the quarter-mile record. The confirmation came from Jay Leno, who was speaking freely on a podcast. And they didn't discover it till recently. Someone was looking around. They're like, I think Jay Leno was on that podcast. They listened through the whole thing, and they're like, oh, wow. He talked about that moment because he had been, what was the site was Drive Tesla Canada that had spotted his presence, or at least posted about it, when this new Model S Plaid was over there at the track. And they were like, again, it was completely speculative, but they said it's breaking records over there.
Right.
And Jay Leno was there.
He wasn't driving.
No, not the record one.
Right.
No.
Okay.
But anyway, he goes on this podcast called Spike's Car Radio. And is there a quote? Oh, yeah. He says this. I'll tell you what I did. I went up to Famoso Dragway in Bakersfield. And the Tesla Plaid, ... I drove by, and the NHRA guy was there to make it official. It turned a 9.247 at 152 miles per hour. That's a quarter mile time, 9.247. That's fast, Will. Don't you remember? We were talking the other day about Fast and the Furious. All they needed was a 10-second car, and those things had to be souped up to the gills.
All they needed was a Tesla.
That's all. Right? That's all they needed was a Plaid, and all they had to do was go talk to Jay Leno.
Yeah. So how come Tesla didn't really announce it?
I don't know.
Made this a big deal.
I think probably because they're so backed up with this car, they're so delayed that it's like you don't really want to make this car is so good.
You can't get it,
and everyone's like, "Yeah, I know. I ordered it."
And they're like, Tesla.
The car's bad. Jeez. Don't worry. The car's bad. Never mind. Yeah. So Tesla had said, though, that you could expect to achieve numbers in this neighborhood. They said that the top speed is 200 miles an hour and the 0 to 60 should be 1.99 seconds. That will give you a quarter mile in 9.23 at 155. So obviously that's optimal conditions, and you like to see what it can do in the real world, which is what Jay Leno was talking about. But that's awful close to you hear my clicks there? That's awful close to the advertised time that could have been expected. Jay Leno confirms it, so of course it makes news. Anyway, it's in Spike's Car Radio, and it's at the 13-minute 50 mark, if you're curious to hear Jay say it in his own words. But this is going to be a fast car, period.
Congrats, I guess.
Definitely congrats. No doubt. But they got to deliver the thing. Because otherwise it doesn't really matter, does it?
No.
You got to deliver.